Hi, I'm Louis Parsons, creator of the Soul Art Collection, and I bring to you the sound of many waters. Before I say anything about this piece, I'd love for you just to take a few moments to really look at it. Just 10 or 20 seconds to give it the gift of your attention and see what it brings up for you. I'd love to hear what you experienced. Maybe you could jot it down in a journal for yourself or even make a comment under this video. There are patterns in nature. There are patterns in sound. There are patterns in what we hear and what we see. Flowing water or rainfall. I used to live next to a cricket ground. And I remember once walking past and hearing this roar. It was just tremendous and explosive, and I was trying to think, where have I heard that before? Where have I heard that? And I realised it was the ocean, like the sound of the crashing ocean. How is it that sounds just like the rustling of a billion leaves, or the sound of a crowd getting to its feet and shouting at the top of its voice? Each one of us has hidden depths, hidden potentials. And I think sometimes we need each other to explore what those actual hidden potentials are. And wouldn't it be awesome if we knew we were part of a team or a family or an organisation or a world or a society that supports that engages that, and that you know you're part of too. And yet, this is also just about the experience of the voices of nature, the patterns that echo the very core of our being. And so I don't fully understand what the piece is about. And in a sense, what I'm really excited about is that maybe when you bring the power of your attention to it, you'll complete it, you'll complete its meaning, and you'll make it real for you in any way that feels absolutely right. So thank you.